In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A20e, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply iOS Launcher on this Samsung. First of all, go into Play Store, click on the search bar and type in iOS Launcher. Then install this free app from this developer and open it. Now wait for the pop-ups to show, and when they do, choose Allow and Allow while using in all of them. When you're ready, click on Home button. Now you need to choose iOS Launcher, tap on Always, and lastly tap on Got It. As you can see, Apple layout was applied successfully on my Samsung. But you can always switch between your layouts by going into Devices Settings, then clicking on Apps section and clicking on those three dots at the top right corner. Following that, choose Default Apps and click on Home app. To go back into your default one, click on One AU Home. If you wish to go back to iOS, just tap on it over here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!